Okay, here we go. This is a review of this Hoover carpet cleaner. The water and the solution go in this part. As you can see, I've actually done this area rug, so I don't have much left. The dirty water goes down the bottom. That is, believe it or not, all from this one area rug. And I'm actually a little disgusted with myself. I swear I'm a clean person, but that's actually unbelievable that that came from my carpet, a carpet that I spot clean and vacuum regularly. It also comes with this mat to put it on. If you have ever had a carpet cleaner before, you know that they do leak on the bottom. So it's nice that you can set that on top of that. And if anything comes out the bottom while you're not using it, it'll end up on that and not on your floor. So it has buttons in the back. The right side releases the handle so you can use it. The left is the power button. I did just do this whole carpet, but I'm just going to turn it on so you can see how it sounds when it's on. It's actually very easy to turn off and on. I just have a boot on because I broke my foot, so I'm not moving around too great. But it's great. I have dogs and kids, and I am selling my house soon, so I wanted to clean all of my carpets. So this is really nice. I recommend it.
what I'm doing is I'm showing you the side I washed with the Hoover and the side I didn't. And it's not as colorful. It's so clean because I have 2 dogs, and one is a puppy, and for the last 6 months this was her little playground, and I needed something strong to take the smell out, which this has, so it's great. If you're thinking of buying one like me and you've gone through all the different ones online, I'm going to give it a 5-star. It could get a 10 because it's really good. Easy. All you have to do is just press the button forward when you go forward and then pull it back slowly. It's so easy. There's nothing to put together. You just fill it up. Make sure you get your solution ahead of time. They give you a little bottle, but that goes fast. So this is really good. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, goodbye.
Hey guys, I just got finished vacuuming the carpet about 6 times and I'm getting ready to shampoo it. So let's see if it makes a difference.